Hello everyone, welcome to the AI Prompt Engineer channel. Today I am going to build a pickup line generator using the ChatGPT. So this will going to help those who are especially those who are bad in picking some random pickup lines. So let's see. Go to ChatGPT and type give me a GUI based Python application which can generate pickup lines randomly on clicking on the generator. So let's see how ChatGPT is going to help here. So yeah, as we see now the work is going on, we are getting some codes. So let's see either these codes are going to work or not. As you see here, we are able to create our own bunch of list of pickup lines, even hundreds of lines we are able to feed here. So whenever we want this spontaneously, just we have to click on the button and we are getting some random pickup lines. So let's copy and paste the code in our VS Code editor. So yeah, let's copy it and go to our editor and paste it. And let's see either we are getting a job done or we are getting some kind of error. So save it now, and just after saving, just go to terminal and run it, and finger cross. Wait a minute. Yeah man, we are getting a window, GUI window. So here we can see a generator button. What we have to do, just click on this button and let's see either we are getting some lines or not. So click on it. Yo man, we are getting, are you a camera? Become every time I look at you, I smile. Great. We are getting some random pickup lines. Oh man, are you an alien? Because you just abandoned. Oh man, shit. Here you can see how it is work. Like here, literally, we are able to feed 500,000 of lines in our list. And whenever we need this, just click on this URL, get some random pickup lines and use. And it will definitely going to make your life easy, especially for today's Gen Zs, because they don't have that kind of humor. So let's see, you are seeing here just for a demo, ChatGPT give us a 4 or 5 pickup lines, but we are able to increase it. So you man, I hope this will going to help you. You must try it by your own as well. So for more tutorials using ChatGPT, let hit the subscribe button and follow the tutorials. Thank you.